City. This next bout is 8 rounds under bantamweight category, presented to you by Sunman Boxing Promotions in cooperation with Manny Pacquiao's MP Promotions, Knuckleheads Pro Boxing Fraternity, Diva Promotions, Zip, Elorde UKC, sponsored by Fairtex. Ladies and gentlemen, at this bout is sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board Chairman, Attorney Richard S. Clarin, Super Pro Boxing and other contact sports, Miss Jackie Lucacho Ordido. Ladies and gentlemen, the 3 judges at ringside scoring this contest in the 10-point plus system will be Gerald Basig, Virgilio Garcia, and Don Arguelles. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, the veteran, Sammy Bernabe. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing a white with black, official weight, 117.2 pounds. He has an excellent professional record consisting of 13 big victories, only 5 defeats, with one of his victory coming by way of knockout. Proudly representing the brave country of Mexico, ladies and gentlemen, Ken Torres. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner together with his head trainer, Nonito Donaire Sr., wearing black with silver, official weight, 119.8 pounds. He has an excellent professional record consisting of 26 big victories, only 1 defeat, with 21 of his big victories coming by way of knockout. Here's the former world title challenger and the former WBC interim world bantamweight champion, ladies and gentlemen, proudly representing Sunman Boxing Gym of General Santos City, here is Raymark Assassin Gabalio. Once again, to give instructions, here's the veteran referee, Sammy Bernabe.
Okay, you determine open my command at all times. So take your turn at all times, okay? Tas lang sila.
Round number 1.
First round. Hindi magtapos ang round. kalaban. Yun ang sinasabi ko eh. Bata pa eh. Edad na yan. Bata pa to? Bata pa yan. Hindi yayakap yan kasi matapang yan eh. Pero dapat, kanina pa lang, inayaw na ng referee. Pinalaban pa eh. Dapat. Kasi pinalakad niya eh. Kasi
Halata, talagang hindi. Hindi nakarit. Unang tama pa lang. So, naramdaman na nung si ano, malaki. Tumama talaga ng sulit. Yung binupa niya ng binupa. Binupa eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 2 minutes and 33 seconds of the very first round, we have a winner by technical knockout. Your winner, Kenban Torres.
lasing pa, kabandoy oh. Kabalyo. Wala, meron na yan. Dapat tigil lang.